The paint is 2020 Chrysler. It's the Jeep Mojave. And I'll get a picture of it driving. But you can see it's never been driven in the rain. Every nut and bolt is brand new. Every wiring harness is, and that what you just saw was the alarm. It's got a super sensitive alarm. Just walking with the key sets it off. So now I have a trickle charger on it because I don't ever drive it. I've had it done for about, I want to say 8 months, and I've driven it 220 miles, which isn't that much. I drove it around White Rock Lake. So let's see, which one is it? Okay, so it's this one right here. So let's get it started. Let me close this door here. Okay, so you have to, okay, here we go. Oh. So the way you start it is your foot has to be on the clutch and on the clutch, and it's got a push start. Oh, you got to hold it in, sorry. And it has been started. Digital Dakota dash. This is digital camera in the front, camera in the back. It'll quiet down here in a second. Lights. I don't know. I'm not sure which of these switches over here, these little green things, but those work the air conditioning. It works all the lights that are on it, and then just turn it off. You just push it off. That's it. It doesn't have a key. It's got you have to have this key fob. If you don't have this key fob, you will not be starting a car. And that little key right there is for the gas tank over here. And that's over here. That's what that key goes to. Anyway, so that is